Okay, I welcome each and every one of you to today's training. In today's training, I want to guide you guys through the importance of cPanel and how you can install WordPress on your cPanel and how you can build a blog or a website. So now, as you can see this dashboard, it therefore means that the first thing I did was and when I said logged in, it brought me to this page. Now in this page, what is the importance of this place and why am I here? Okay, the reason why I'm here is because I want to install WordPress. So now for you to install WordPress, you need to locate where you can see what we call control panel or cPanel. Okay, so you scroll down. That's good. Service. See that? You see what I did? I want to believe that you guys are feeling what I did. You can see that? Here. I click there. It brought me here. And I said what? Log into where? cPanel. Click on the cPanel. By clicking on the cPanel, it brought me to where I will have access to everything that pertains to this hosting and domain name. So this is where we call control panel. cPanel simply means control panel. It is called control panel because this is where you control your entire website. Okay, if you forget your password, this is where you come to reset your password. If your website is down, your control panel can never be down. It can only be down if someone hacked into your cPanel, meaning the person will be able to change your password. That's all. That is the only way you can lose control of your cPanel, of your control panel. Okay, so now I have been able to log into the control panel of blah blah blah.com. Okay, of osich.com.ng. okay, now I've been able to log into this account cPanel. So what the next thing I need to do, you can see email. Okay, as we proceed, I will teach you people each of these how to create a customized email. Okay, that is for email. This is for payment and complaints. You scroll down. This is file, meaning everything about your file, everything about your website, documents, everything. It will be backing up your files, your storage capacity, your file manager, the images, every directory, everything will be here. When you scroll down, this is called the database. Now here it requires you to have high level of database management. Okay, but hopefully in this training you will not have issues that will warrant you to come to this database. Okay, again. So this one has to do with your domain, your website domains. You can direct your website to another website. Okay, you don't need this for now. This is by default. Okay. You scroll down. This is your site security. By default, it is okay. Okay. Now, software. This is where you need to focus your energy on. Software. Now, your website. What kind of programming language do you want to use to build your website? What kind of programmable language do you want to use to build your blog? Okay. But for a blog, if you want to build a blog, you can go for what? WordPress. But if you are good with programming, if you can code, like people like us, we go for PHP. You understand? But for you, if you cannot code, you go for WordPress, because WordPress is easier and everything will be done for you while using WordPress. Okay, you can come down here, you can see it here. These are different things that you can use to build scripts that you can use to build your website. You can see WordPress is here. Joomla is another operating system. Sorry, it's another template that you can use. Okay, they are all here. They are all here. This PHP. You can use anyone, provided you understand the programming language. But for this training, you guys will be using WordPress, because this is like ready-made clothes. And while these other ones are like PHP is more like it is a tailor or a fashionista is the one sewing your clothes for you from the scratch. You are building your website from the scratch. But the WordPress, everything was done and has been done for you. Okay, your category is blog. Do you understand? But here in this website that we want to build, you scroll down to software, to script, you take WordPress. I click on WordPress. So now when I clicked on WordPress, okay, it brought me to this dialog, to this page. And in this page, there are basic things that I need to do. Now, before I install this WordPress, I want you guys to have a picture of it. You can see. Someone might come and ask me, sir, why didn't I press the first one that I saw WordPress? I know you people can ask very good questions. Somebody might ask me, why didn't I press this first one? Yeah. You can see that I have pressed it, alright? It still brought me to the same place. Do you understand? It still brought me to the same page. It's still the same page. You can see that? We are still there. Okay, we are still there. So you can choose to say install. Press on install. So when I say install, you can see it brought me to another dashboard asking me to do something. Okay, here, this is where you need to define what your website is all about. Okay, Osich has always been saying the website is for I think he has been saying that his website is for finance. So what is the name of your website? Very important. This is the name of his website. .com.ng. I copy that. The name of my site is not my blog. You delete that and you paste this. What is your site all about? Okay, finance. Then you write a lot of things about your site description, describing your site. This is for search engine, for your SEO, okay? This is for SEO. So whatever you are doing here now, it is because of SEO. You are working on your SEO, search engine optimization. So now here, how do you want to be logging into your website? Do you want to use admin to log into your website, or you want to change the name from admin? Okay, let's assume that I want to change. I don't want to use, it is not advisable for you to even use admin, okay? So I want to use church, and then I want to give a password. Then I want to give a password. I want to give a password as EKENG001 full stop 2 times. You can see that. Now I've set the password and the username. So meaning anytime I want to enter into the dashboard of my website, this information will be required from me. So don't joke with this information. Don't joke with this site name here, and don't joke with this the site description. Write the description of your website so that Google engine all the search engine in the world can know what your website is all about. Very, very important. Now this is your website dashboard. Here, through this username and password, this is where you'll be using to log in and post articles, pictures, and edit and do everything. So make sure that you don't forget this username and password. In fact, write it down if you can. Now you scroll down. If you want it to back up your files, you back it up. You click here. You want it to improve your page speed, you click there. Whatever you want it to do for you, you can do it. Now, installation details. You can put your alternative email. Email 03@gmail. @gmail.com. Okay, that is your alternative email. Okay, when you are done, you can say install. Okay, you can see that. Okay, I want to install. I want to use quick installation. Please, you have to confirm everything. Everything is okay. Then you click what? Install. You can see that you click install. Now, so now when you are done with that, you click install. You click what? Install. Part 2. I'm going back again. That one was for this. The second one is this. I click on the WordPress. It brings me here. You can all see it. You can see it. I say install. You can see. I want you guys to witness something. What do you notice here? It still brings me to the same thing. Do you understand? So you come here also, you feel the same thing, you put the same email, the email here. Okay, let me just run something for you, and then okay, with this everybody should do it this way. Okay, taking this, come here. Oh, this person wants to disturb this, what I'm doing. Control V. You come here. This site was about finance, blah 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 blah. You write everything about your website. You come here. You choose a church, CHUR church. Your password, you put your password 001 double full stop. You can see that. You scroll down here, you put an alternate email, you put email 03. You can see that at the end you do what? You choose install. If you click here, it will only drop dialog box. Everything here is by default is okay. If you click here, it will ask you to select theme. So this is it. So for now, you ignore this, okay? Ignore it because you have in mind of the kind of theme you want to use to build your site, okay? So now when you are done with that, you choose install. Let's go up. You can see it is installing. So now after installation, please you see, congratulations, the software was installed successfully. Now they said WordPress has been successfully installed at this. So what you need to do is to copy this. You can see, come here, you copy this, okay? You open a new tab, you come here, you paste it, you enter. This is your website. Have you seen your new website? This is by default, this is your new website. This is the first step in building a website or a blog. So now you don't like the way your website is. So because you don't like the way your website is, you want to change the views of your website. So what you need to do, you need to log into that admin section that I asked you people to take cognizance of. How do we go back to that place? So now follow me. Now you need to write down this information, this first information down on your notebook, and then you also need to write this second information down. Now I will copy this, I will open another tab, I will paste this so that you can see the reason why I said that information of your username and password is important. So now remember that username and password that I created when I installed WordPress. So now WordPress is requesting for that username and password. The username was church, CHURCH, and the password was capital E, okay, ENG00100. Now I can view this, and then I said login. Now you can see that these are two different places that I'm logging in. Number one, this is the real website that your visitors will be coming here to read. Your visitors will not be privileged to see this part. Now this is the dashboard, this is the back end of this your front end. So this is the front end that everybody will be seeing. Okay, this article is nice, they will be reading, this picture is nice, this is where they will see all those ones. It is only you, the owner of your website, that have access to this back end. This site is called back end, okay? Your back end, your dashboard. So now this is where you do all the magic. Whatever you do here at this back end, this dashboard, it will reflect here on the front end. Do you understand? I'm taking my time to take this lesson small. I want everybody to understand. I don't want any mistake. Now this is it. This site is called what? Back end or dashboard. Your website dashboard or your website back end. This is where you will be performing all the magic. Whatever you do here will affect here. Take note. Therefore, you have to be extremely careful here. So now currently, I want to refresh this home page. This is how this website is currently. Is it nice to you? If it is nice to you, okay. If it is not nice to you, okay. But to me, it is not nice. And you need to work like a professional, or as a professional. Your website also need to have a look of a professional website or a blog. So how do we start now to convert it to professional blog or website? Number one, you said you don't like this theme. Let's go and change it. You come to appearance here. Under appearance, you see a theme. You click on themes. Now, it will show you 1001 themes, and you can also buy theme. If you don't see the theme that you want, you can also buy theme. And if you buy theme, I sell theme myself. I used to sell theme. So in case any of you want to buy theme, I can sell theme for any of you. But if you don't want to buy and you want to use free theme, free theme, you can use free theme here. So for now, by default, you can see 3. But let me show you how to have more than 1,000,001 theme here from WordPress. WordPress has given you over 2 to 3 million free themes. So in thousands, you can come here. You click on that add new. So when you click on add new, okay, currently see 6,000 plus themes are right now currently. Do you understand? So letters, I click on letters. You can see 12,000 plus. Wakama, you say you love camera. You can download this for your camera studio. Guys, calm down. See, relax. Listen to me, relax. Look at themes. Select the best theme for your blog. If you are for news, you are a news department, you can take this macro news. Let me preview it. This is preview. See guys, don't rush it. Don't rush. This is how the site is. Don't worry about this. They don't want to give you a full preview. Okay, this one they are greedy. They don't want to give you full preview. But if they should give you full preview, this is how it will look like. Okay. Nevertheless, let's proceed. Okay, let's say photography. Photo. Just type anything that you want here. Photography. Photography. Team. Under photography team, Wakama, you will see different types here. Sit down carefully and look for one and take and choose any one. The owner of this cPanel his platform is finance. You click on it, just type finance. You will see different types of theme free of charge. It is when you need an advanced team and a professional team, that is when you think of buying. Then you can contact me. You say you want to buy advanced. Oh God, this person will just want to mess me up. Okay, so this is it. In fact, you get tired. The team choke. So this is it. Somebody said they were in is it banking? Yakpa. He did. So somebody say is a sport analyst. So you are into sport. Just type sport here. You will see different types. Free of charge. Somebody say is into music. You are into music. Just type music here. Ichoke. Sit down on this. Select the theme of your choice. So for the purpose of this class, somebody say he wants to sell something online. You want to start selling things online. You want your website to be like a market square. where people can come and buy things. Okay, e-commerce. That one is called e-commerce. You just type dash commerce, e-commerce. You will see different types of e-commerce. If somebody tell you to build a blog for him that they want to start using it to sell clothes, they want to sell banga, they want to sell gari, this is, you could just type e-commerce. Just type e-commerce, come here, pick any theme. Okay, look for any theme of your choice. Okay, this is for e-commerce. For another e-commerce, Astra. This is a professional team, but free of charge. Okay, these are Astra. This is an e-commerce team. Powerful one, very big, powerful team. This Astra for e-commerce. Okay, you can see Astra team for education. Yes, if you are in education sector, education. Yes, for education team, these are different types of education. Okay, these are different teams for education. Download them, sit down, look for the best choice and pick it up. Okay, anything that you want to do in this life is here. Anything, think of anything is here. Tech, want to go into tech. This is tech team. Do you understand? So you pick anything, you choose anything. Law, if you want lawyer, if you are a lawyer, just type law. You see different types. Okay, you can see. So I want to believe now. So let's choose one. The owner of this cPanel has finance. Then under finance, no need for me to go ahead, forward and backward to select him because I'm not building on it. So, but then this is what you need to do. When you see the theme of your choice, click on install. They chop that out. After installation, click on activate. So now, after that is done, you will see they say visit your site. If you don't want to click here to visit your site, you come to, remember, this was the theme that we had by default, okay? And we say we don't like it. So what you need to do next, come back here and refresh it. You can press F5. If you don't want to refresh there, you press F5. So now the theme has changed. You can see it has changed to that one that we click. You can see this. You can see that now. So now this is it. It has changed. So now you can come here. You say customize. This is where you will start working now. So this training, this is too long. I'll stop here and then we will proceed from here. Okay. So all I want you guys to do, okay, so bring it. So now this is what I did. I've clicked on that. When I clicked on it, I said finance patterns. I click on that patterns. Okay, because this is free, it didn't give you different patterns. Okay, so you go back there, click on team details, you click on browser, is free. If you want to go for pro version, you pay. Maybe small payment. So leave these ones. These ones are plugins. You understand them very soon in this training. I will explain them in details for you guys. Okay. So now, if you say you don't like this theme, okay, you can come back to theme. Come back to theme. If you say you don't like that theme, okay, you can come back to theme. Click on this plus sign. If you say you don't like that theme, now come back here, click on that plus sign, and then Google. Yes. But trust me, anything that you take, okay, it will be fine. Okay. These are awesome. These are okay. You can see different. These are different advanced theme now. Okay, I just log on to one advanced theme now. Okay. Let's pick it up from here. I'm installing a new one. As you can see, I said I don't like that first one. You install this new one. You click on activate. Now, after activating it, this was the one I installed, and you say we don't like it. I click on it. I come here. I deleted it. I'm taking it off. I remove it so that I can't consume space. Anyone here that you don't like and you don't want it to be here, click on it, remove it from your dashboard or your backend. Okay, you can see I click on this theme dashboard. Okay, this one is higher and is better than that one. It's higher. Okay, you can see the functions. It has much functions than that one. Yes, menu. Okay, okay. Later. Theme dashboard. Okay, so now look at background image is for free. They have given you for free. Change title or it is for free. Add widget is for free. Okay, this one is very, very advanced. This theme is far better than the other one. Okay, but if you want to go down here, they say you need to go for pro. You buy. Okay, but the purpose of this training is free, so you use this for free. Use this theme for free. Nothing like buy. Free will give you everything that you need. So now I have I have installed this. I come back here. I refresh this. This is how it looks. Now check it out. Check out. You see, this theme is more advanced than the first one. Okay, so I will stop. You can also change it to white background. You can see that. You can also swap it to dark. So now from here, after this, now let us the next video that I'm about to do will guide us. I want to train us on how to, you can see there is nothing like menu here, no home page, nothing. So in the next video that I'm about to drop, I'm teaching you guys a lot of things in the next video. So for now, guys, I want everyone to watch this video carefully, watch it over and over again, and then follow this step one by one. Ensure that you don't make any mistakes. Thank you.